Hi everyone, Marion Emberson here. First off, thank you for joining me again. I do appreciate you coming back. And if you're new here, welcome. So I went in on another sale again. I'm getting a bit addicted to sales, probably because I ain't got much money. So I've got to buy them when they're cheap. Anyway, I'm addicted to craft stuff just like you are. And I saw a sale on Spellbinders. And I thought, oh, just have a little look. Go on. Right. So while I was on there, I'm like, eh. Anyway, I haven't used anything yet. But I've got this one, ANEMONES. No, ANEMONES. I call them ANEMONES. Apparently it's anemones. Right. Don't know what you call them. But yeah. I mean, it is spelt anemones, isn't it? And like, anemones, anemones. Whenever I say anemones, I feel like do. Anyway, so I got those. I can't wait to try that. This one is, honestly, you need to go on there because I think it's still on. And I think I got that for like a £5. Seriously, it was 22 quid or something, or this was a lot of them. I have got my little list thing here, but it doesn't say how much things were, etc. But anyway, so then there's this one is all different sentiments. So it sort of covers pretty much everything. And then I like this because then I can cut them all out in one go. I'm sort of getting into big dies. So this one, I mean, it's not massive, but it's a nice size for a card. So best day ever. This just looks stunning. Look at this font. Beautiful, hello, wonderful. And then it's like, hello, you are for my friend. You are as you, perfect, wishing you, blah, blah. Again, I think it was a £5. Oh, anyway. This, I just love this. Like, I've got an idea for these. These are just cut-in dies, these ones, these little leaves. So sealed leaf sprigs. Another big one, today is all about you. Thought that was nice. More little sprig cut-in dies. I think you can never have enough. And then these would be nice mixing them up with other companies as well. Just think that's lovely. Oh, this was ridiculously cheap. And a lovely friend of mine, Patsy, she does a lot for her church. So I saw this and it's just, oh, come let us adore him. And I thought, she will love that. The fact that it's a better press play, I didn't realise, and I don't think she's got the better press system, but I'm sure it will work in the Big Shot or whatever. We'll try and see, and then I'll pass it on to her. This one, very early, but I just loved it. Merry Christmas. This one, oh, again, it's hot foil. I'm so into hot foiling at the moment. All these beautiful sentiments with die cuts as well. So that's just lovely. And some stamps. Again, just stamps that I can just use all the time. All season ones, so they go all through the seasons. And then I've been trying to get hold of some of this. I must admit, I was very, very shocked at how small it was. It's called Splatter White. I haven't even opened it yet. And I think it was, this wasn't on sale. This was like $7.99. So I was really shocked when I saw the size of it. I thought, oh, but, I hope that's not all dried up. Oh, let's have a little look-see, shall we? Let's have a little. It's just called, I think, I'll give that a stir and see. It's called Splatter White, and you can just get your thing in and just But I'm wondering if this is all dried up. But I will find out, and I will get back to you on that. So now I've got to make something with some of it, and I don't know what. So I'll have a little think. Okay, so I've decided to have a go with this one because I just love it. I think, I'm not sure. I think I'm going to get 2 cards out of this, but we will see. Let me just go in and just chop this down. Okay, so I am thinking, right, this is going to give me an outline, isn't it? So I'm thinking if I do a bit of hot foiling with my Microdot on a plate, so it's just solid. So let me just go ahead and do that. So I need to get my little doodah up and running. Let's bring it in. I feel like I'm in a kerfuffle now because, as usual, I do everything off the thing. Actually, if I do it that way, you'll be able to see it better. There we go. Right, my Catherine Paula plate. Let's just... Never know which way it goes. I'm going to do it at a bit of an angle. Right, okay. Now, I've got a little bit here, an extra bit of card shim, just to give it a bit more oomph, because it might not go all the way. I have noticed it on a couple of things. Sometimes it does and sometimes it doesn't. So let's just cut myself some of my Microdot. I've got to wait for me light to say it's ready. And then I can line it all up. Okay, so my dot's on now. So now I'm going to take the pretty side and put it on the plate. And then I'll take my piece of cardstock and just put that on there. And then I'm going to take my plates, put those on. But I think what I'm going to do, just to err on the side of caution, in between those and where my cardstock is, just going to place that on there as well, just so it gives it like a little whoop, not like that, a little shim, because I haven't got a shim for this. And then we'll just do that. I mean, that takes about 15 seconds, I think. Okay, let's see. Oh, I missed a teeny tiny bit. That's annoying. I want another teeny tiny bit. Maybe I need to do my shim a little bit thicker, because I'm using this in a Big Shot machine, and I've tried it in a different Big Shot machine and it come out different again. So I think they vary. They all vary. Okay, so let me just move. I'm just going to take that out now, because I am going to use it for a sentiment, I reckon. Oh, this is heavy. I don't want to lift. Right, let me just, I'm going to put this over here. Okay, so I went ahead and I've also die cut one out just in white, because I was thinking of something else for that. Now I've got me press and seal. I always forget about this. My lovely friend Donna gave me loads. I brought it back from America with me, and then I forget. Okay. Now I'm going to see if this is going to work. If I can place it on there and lift up these bits. Oh, I've got a bit that's wrong there. Now, my cunning plan was that I could paper piece these bits back in. Have I got the patience for that? No. No, look, I don't even know where that bit goes. That must go there. I am the most impatient crafter. I really am. And I ain't got time to sit and do that. If I was really, really bored one day, maybe, oh, I don't know. No, I just don't think I can. I really don't. Maybe I will off camera. I don't know. So I won't throw these bits away just yet, just in case I decide to. But just simple. I mean, this is just beautiful. Look, oh, look, it's got a bit there as well. Keep that bit. Isn't it gorgeous on the Microdot one? Absolutely gorgeous. And I think it'll be one of these bits that's got the bit missing on it, because I haven't got it on here. Anyway, so simples. Let's just go in and, shall we do a colour instead? I might. And I could. Oh, that is just beautiful. Oh, okay, so look, with the outline one, if I do it on here, this is just a bit of scrap of card. Let me run this through. Okay, maybe that's what you're supposed to do instead of paper piecing it all together. I don't want to lose these bits. Stay there, stay there. Now I've got to work out where this goes. This is something like, oh, see, that looks gorgeous. That is lovely. Right, I need to glue that. Or what I could have done was put it on double-sided adhesive and then it would have stuck down. But I'll go back to my usual hand method. That is yum. Right, let's move these out of the way. I'm going to have to refill my Barely Art soon. I haven't refilled it yet. I've had it all this time. I have used it so much. A little goes such a long way. It's crazy. Right. That is yum. I'm going to put me me thing back on, me Glimmer machine, because I want to. Come on, you. I'm just lifting this plate off because it's hot. Don't want to burn myself. Because I'm going to do one of the sentiments. Right, I've come to the conclusion this is really hard. And I think I've done it before on Spellbinders ones where I've actually, oh, it might have been the honeybee, and I wrote, when I finally worked it out, I can't work it out. Oh dear, what do we reckon this is? See, you can't tell, can you? Well, it would go that way, wouldn't it? Your friendship means, right, that one definitely goes with that one. Definitely. Okay, so I found the ones, what they are. Why they don't do them. Well, no, I do know why they don't do them for all of them. Because these ones are just straightforward square cut. Apart from that, okay. Maybe I'm missing something. I don't know. But I'm going to go for this one. I don't know why they put so much sticky on it. Stay there. And that one is a big hello from me to you. So that's my second one down. So that is that one. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Marion, don't lose these bits in case you do go in and do it again. Right, there we go. It's very subtle, the Microdot on words. But it's lovely. See, they're just so simple but effective. I love it. Right, stick it down. Foam pad on there. A big hello from me to you. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? So, so pretty. Now, because I've got it on a white base, it's not... What have I got there? Oh, I've got a bit of glue on there. Oh, there I go. Okay, the old sequins might have to come out. Look at that. So, so pretty. Right, I'm going to have a go at doing this. I'm not going to bore you guys with it. I'll be back. Okay. I had patience. Actually, it didn't take that long. I've got to be honest. Let's just move that. Look. And I should have used me Glad press and seal. And then I could have just put them in, picked them all up, turned it over and put the glue on. And as usual, I forgot. Now, I've just cut out another piece with this bit, the outline bit, because I'm going to try this flicky stuff and let's see what happens. I may mess this up. I don't know. So I gave it a stir, and look, that looks a lot better already. Let's just wet a paintbrush. I don't know how much. Don't want too much. Yeah, this ain't working, is it? You get a little bit. Maybe I need a bit more water. There's nothing like trial and error, is there? I never pretend that I'm any good at this. I am cack-handed, so maybe there's a... I know you can play with it. What do you call it? Oh, here we go. We're getting a little bit of flickage. Maybe I just had to be a bit heavier handed. Just a little bit. I don't want big blobs though. Let's just turn that round. I'm going to move that in case I drop it. Cool, yeah, you do have to be quite firm with it. Maybe I'll go look at a video, see what someone else does. But anyway, okay, that worked. It wasn't me wow that I thought it was going to be, but, you know, I try these things. So I can lift that off now, so it hasn't affected any of that. I'm going to chop that little bit off. And then I've got a sentiment that I did a while back out of my little sentiment box, and I'm just gonna stick that on now. Just go like that. I need that to dry, don't I? So I might just put it there. It's in a plain, well, I say a plain silver foil. It's just a silver hot foil. Now I could put it down there, but because I've offset it, I'm going to bring it over, and I don't like that little bit, so I'm going to bring it over like so. Okay, there we go. Sorry if I was that. Was I at a camera shot? I don't know. But look, isn't it? Oh, it's a bit wonky. Let's just bring that down. Is it wonky? I don't know. I have got me T-square thing here. If I just go like that, maybe it was all right as it was. Okay. So, as I say, I've got some more bits coming because I fell in love with them. Oh, honestly, I know that one took longer, but that was incredibly quick. Incredibly quick. Like ridiculous. But anyway, I hope you like me new bit of stash. I'm not affiliated with Spellbind. Oh, look, I smudged it. Of course I did. Oh, my goodness. What am I like? Oh, should we just... I was going to try and smudge it elsewhere, but... Oh, well. Do you know, if I sent that to my friend, she'd be just well chuffed that she got a lovely card. And I'd say to her, don't look at the smudges. I could chop a bit off. Anyway, as I say, I am not affiliated with Spellbinders. I'm not trying to make you go spend your money or anything, but there are some absolute bargains. And yes, they might be discontinued now. I don't know. But yeah, just go have a look. So thanks ever so much for watching, guys. Take care. I'll cover up my smudge. Bye.